Hello, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to get email ID from any unknown website or company. Totally free of cost. So, let's begin the video. For getting the free email ID, need to install a browser extension. We're using Google Chrome to complete this process. So let's start. Now, search for the Email Finder by Snov app. This tool will help us obtain free email addresses from any website. Yes, got it. The third one is the app we were looking for. Okay, now click on the tools, and install it by clicking the Add to Chrome button. After the installed, you need to create an account in this site, for accessing user email ID. So now, we will show you, how to show email ID from an unknown website. Check this out, all the email lists for this site domain are available here. If you want to collect the email list for this domain, you must sign up for an account. Yes, your account has been successfully created, and all the settings are done. Once again, we're checking the email list for an unknown domain. Just visit any website, and click on the extension. This domain is new, so the email list is blank. Now checking another site. Yes, check this out, the email list for this domain is now displayed. Now, you can save this email list to your Snov account, but it's limited. If you subscribe to the premium plan, you can save more contacts. Now, check the another website. So, I think you understand how to get free email list from any domain. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel.